In this video, I'll show you how to set up auto investing on Robinhood step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to auto invest on Robinhood, first open the Robinhood app and log into your account. You can either search for the stock or ETF you want to set up a recurring investment for, or select one already in your portfolio. Tap on the stock, then scroll down and tap Trade, followed by Buy. At the top of the screen, tap the section that lets you choose dollars or shares, and then select the option for recurring investments. You can choose how often to invest, like every day, week, 2 weeks, or month. Enter the amount you want to invest each period, and tap Continue. Next, choose whether to fund it from your bank account or your Robinhood buying power. Review any backup payment options, then continue to the review screen. If everything looks correct, swipe up to confirm, and your recurring investment will be scheduled automatically. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.